Last part of measurement is accuracy and precision. Now, whenever we talk about accuracy and precision, there's a little fine line that you have to kind of cross. Okay, it's am I accurate? Am I precise? Is my precision good, but is it accurate? Am I accurate but imprecise? What's going on? And what do I have to do as far as my scientific measurements go? Well, I like to relate this to shooting. Okay, so if you've got a gun, and it's down here in Texas, we've got guns. Okay, if you've got a gun, you're going to go out to the target range, and they give you a piece of paper, okay, that's never done anything to you in the past, but you're going to go out there and shoot it because it's a piece of paper. And it's got a target on it. Okay? And I recommend that everybody, men and women, go out to the shooting range, and take shots, whether it be with a pellet gun, BB gun, bow and arrow, Nerf guns, whatever. Go ahead and do that. But make sure that it goes through the paper. And the reason being is that you want to save this so that when your teenage daughter or teenage boy goes out on their prom day, you can get out this target and say, "Look what I just did at the target range," and scare the heck out of whoever they're dating, right? Okay, that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. All right? Okay. But for accuracy and precision, generally you want to try to get it as good with both of those terms as you can. For accuracy, it's how far you are close to the target. Okay? So an accurate shooter, if somebody shoots and they hit right around here, all right? When you average all of their shots together, they're actually pretty accurate. And they're hitting the target. They're hitting all around the target. Depending upon what's going on, wind shift, whatever, it could deflect their bullet in a variety of ways, or their arrow, wherever they're shooting at instead. Okay? So that's a pretty accurate shot. You're hitting the target. It's not entirely accurate, but you're hitting the target. Okay? So I'm going to call the blue accurate, but not precise. Back when I got my hunter's safety training verification back in Wyoming, they gave me a .22, and I had to show that I was safe working around a weapon, right? Because you got to be conscious of the weapon. Make sure it's unloaded when you're moving it. Don't point it at anybody, that kind of thing. But they let you pop off 5 rounds at a range to see how well you control the weapon and make sure that you're safe with it. Okay. I took my 5 shots, and up here in the corner, I had this. Okay, at 50 yards. My shooting was obviously well off target. Something was wrong with my sights. Yeah? However, my control was very good. Precision was there. So with purple, I have precision. I'm precise, but not accurate. All right? Ultimately, the best goal would be to be accurate and precise. You put a grouping like that, the best day of shooting in your life, that's accurate and precise. Now, science is a lot like sighting in a gun, okay? Getting to the point where your instrument at the shooting range, it's a gun. Or in the lab, it could be a gas chromatograph, an AA, okay? Your titration, making your standards, a UV curve. You want to make sure that all of these things are doing or reporting correct values. Because if they're not reporting correct values, there's no point in having the instrument in the lab. So accuracy and precision is important. Okay, so you have to be patient in the lab, and you have to be methodical in the lab. Okay, and you have to recognize that you want to make things called standards that you can test the precision and accuracy of your sample. Okay, so if you're testing like a pH meter, Okay, you get a pH 4 sample and you put that meter in. If it keeps reading 4, then you're precise and accurate. Okay? Those are the types of things that we're talking about. And whenever we do measurements of something that's an unknown, right, we have to make sure that we're going to be accurate and precise. So we use some sort of standard value to get us ready to analyze what we're measuring. That's what accuracy and precision is all about. That's why we use it in science and in shooting.